Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Office 365 Word web-based on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and an account for maybe work or school within the Office 365 environment. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, Google Chrome, go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. In the previous tutorials, we have signed in and out of the account. Once you sign in, we can now go to the left-hand side navigation bar, or we could go right to the bottom left corner, click on all the applications. And now these are the applications we have on screen. For this tutorial, we are heavily focused on Word. Bring out your best writing. Click on this. Now click on a new blank document, general notes, APA style paper, house flyer. For this tutorial, we are working within a new blank document. And now this takes us to Microsoft Word, the web-based version. Looks very similar to the desktop application. So now if we look at the navigation menu and see what we can see, increase the size of the file, Word, document, saved. We can save this. Also a thing to note, this is autosave. So we can type in trial document. Now we have saved this as trial document. Go back to our account, refresh the page, reload, and there we have trial document. Go back to trial document. Let's type something. This is my first Word document. We can highlight, change to bold, italics, underline, undo, highlight again, and see how we have a pop-up window with some shortcuts, bold, italic, underline. Change the font type to, let's say, Arial black, size of the text, bullet point, numbers, text size is changed, the color, the font, all from a shortcut. Let's just go back to Arial black, color, black. If we change the color, so that is text. Let's insert a paragraph. If we go to a new tab, google.com, go to Wikipedia, take some text, highlight, copy, go back to trial document, right click, paste. If we click on add to Chrome, yes, add the extension, go back to trial document, paste. And now we can word process, highlight, remove all the underlined text. If that doesn't happen, we would actually it did happen. Change the color of the text. Let's now try to insert maybe a photo. Go to Documents, My YouTube channel. I see a photo, YouTube icon. Click on Open. And now the photo itself has been inserted. We can decrease the size of the photo itself. We can also move the photo around. Let us change the wrap text to in front of text. That is fine. Go to a new line. We can also insert a table if we require. 3 by 2, 2 by 2, and there we have a table. List 1, list 2. Orange, banana. That's your title, your text, paragraph, image, table. And this is all happening from the Word document within Word, which is web-based. If we want to change the layout, narrow the margins, orientation, landscape, revert it back to portrait, size can be changed. We can also indent from the left. We can insert a header. Computer science videos, that's done. That's the header. And footer if we require. Page numbers. So that is page number 1. Remove one after computer science videos. So we know we are working with page 1. Let's go to a new page. We may need a page break. So this is the second page we're on now, number 2. Go back to home. Insert, layout, references, review. Let's check the word count. Words 173, characters with no space 860, characters with spaces 1028, paragraphs 6. Okay. Add some comments. This is my document. Yes, it is. Let's add a comment for the title. So now we know we have some comments. If we go to view, we can change to reading view. If we now go back to documents, click on trial document. Go back to view. If we click on reading view, it takes us to another page. If we click on accessibility mode, it now takes us as a document.pdf. We can, if we wanted to, save the file. Trial document.pdf will be saved in downloads. If I click on save, now go all the way down to the doc, go to Finder, downloads. Trial document.pdf, now being saved on my computer. Amazing. Go back to the file. If we go to the right, 3 dots, download as PDF. Again, your document is ready, download. So now we have downloaded the same file a different way. close out of what we had open, go back to trial document, go to view, zoom in, zoom out, navigation. This is my first document. This is my document. Yes, it really is. If we needed to navigate, we could search for, let's just say, and then it would take us to all the words that have the word document in. We remove out of that. Let's change to reviewing. Let's change to viewing, but no editing. Close out of this, go back to trial.document. If we wanted to delete the things we no longer require, we could highlight a table, delete, highlight an image, backspace, delete, go to file, save as a PDF, close, reload, go back, file, save as, download or copy to the computer, yes, go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, downloads, and there we have the trial document in the format of docx. We can open that up in Word, decrease the size of the page to see both on the screen. Amazing. Quit Word, minimize Finder for the moment, go to share. We can also share this with people within the work environment. Copy the link, add their email addresses, and they will be sent an email to say, hey, this person has sent you a document for you to review, edit, and all this can happen in real time. So when someone else accesses your document, they can update and we can see the changes in real time, which is the benefits of using Microsoft Office 365 web-based Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all the other applications they offer with a subscription once you purchase. And if you're wondering what license this account is on, I am using the team license for the second account. My first account has the business basic license. So this account is all for videos and tutorials. So home, insert, layout, references. If you are writing an essay, you would require to reference your work, review, view, help, contact support. If you contact support, they will assist you on anything you require. Feedback, accessibility, what's new. We can close out of trial document from OneDrive, copy paste Wikipedia, quit Google Chrome. If you go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, Google Chrome, go to office.com again, go to the right or left bottom corner on the screen, go to Word, and there we see the trial document is there forever, always auto saving and always saved in your folder in your account on the cloud. So we can quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.